gonna learn about the kitchen set. Modern comfort. Light and sound. Dora, the Explorer. Now let's get started and see what's inside, shall we? Alright. Here we go. Take it out. So, we've got these cabinets. Place them out. This is the cabinet, the microwave, containers and crockery. This is the cooking gadget, milk, toaster, and other stuff. The sink. And these are fruits. That is the dishwasher. Let's see what's in the cabinet. There's a lot of stuff in cabinet. This is the microwave oven. Let's close it. Let's open the door. There are the utensils, the tea set, and other containers. Here we have the fruits and eating items, the tap, here are utensils, and this is the dishwasher. Let's see what's in here. Well, we have a toaster. Isn't that cute? Let's keep it here. That's a tumbler. That's another tumbler. And we have milk. Yay! I love milk. Then we have a coffee mug. Another coffee mug. And here we have a cup and a saucer. Yay! Another cup and saucer. We take the mug. Such a cute mug that is. We put it back. We can pour some milk. Milk is good for health too. We should all drink milk. Put it back for now. Here are the teacups. Now that's the toaster. We can toast our bread slices in the toaster. Yummy toasted bread slices! Yay! Here's the crockery! Well, we have casseroles. Another one. Glasses. And dishes. Wow! And here are the containers. Let's keep them back. That's the ketchup. And here is a tea tray. That's very fancy. Let's close the door now. Then we have the edible items here. Let's see what we've got here. Wow! Well, the yummy melon. Let's keep it here. Here's the bananas. Let's keep them here too. Some more bananas. Here we have mangoes and lemons. Let's keep them here too. That's a yummy pastry. And that's the cover that keeps it safe. Right here. And here comes our guest, the Barbie. Hello, Barbie. Welcome. What should we offer you? All right, we have tea for you. And some yummy pastry to go with the tea. How about it? Do you want me to warm it for you? All right. There we go. Well, it's ready. And that's for you. There you go. That's a toaster. We've toasted breads in it. All right, the toasted breads are popped up. Take a dish. Keep the bread in the dish. We're gonna wash the melon. And take out the dish. keep the melon on the side and keep the plate. And take out the bananas. And wash them thoroughly. And keep them in the plate. Now we're gonna offer the bananas to the Barbie. Now we take the milk. And we pour some milk in the tumbler. And offer it to the Barbie because she's our guest. We gotta feed the guest. I really hope that Barbie's really happy. Okay, she is happy. Bye-bye. Come again. Wow, kids. Fun and learn. Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.